IndyCar reveals its sleek new racer in Detroit. The IndyCar Series is embarking on a new era, leaving behind the manufacturer's supplied aero kits and introducing a new common shape for the season ahead, and it unveiled the updated car at the Detroit Auto Show this week. The revised chassis adopts a more striking Coke bottle shape, moving the sidepods forward to offer better driver protection, lowering the floor, reducing the front wing, and removing some 35 pounds of weight from the tail. The result is expected to put more onus on the drivers, with less downforce and weight to rely on. IndyCar is really looking to deliver on big promises, said reigning series champion Josef Newgarden. As you can see, it's bolder, it's more daring and, really, we believe it has improved aerodynamics that are going to help the racing product tremendously. So I'm looking forward to that probably the most. There's quite a bit of engineering that's gone into the car. To me, it looks more like an IndyCar should, added Newgarden. You think about the 80s and 90s, the heyday of IndyCar racing. This is what you want to see from the product. We believe it's going to be faster. We believe it's going to be safer. It's going to provide better racing like we've talked about. The car will also be more cost-effective, noted team chief Roger Penske at the unveiling in Detroit. We can take our existing chassis and put this aero kit on it, and instead of spending $400,000 or $500,000 for a car, these kits are somewhere between $100,000 and $200,000, and it gives us the ability to go to the next step, Penske said. Combine that with a schedule less than half as demanding as NASCAR's, and the IndyCar Series presents a compelling option for prospective new entries. Newgarden and Penske spoke at the unveiling alongside Indy chief Mark Miles, head of operations Jay Fry, and legendary driver Mario Andretti. I certainly don't lack enthusiasm, said Andretti, and I hear a lot of positives. If there is a negative in all this, it's I don't have a ride yet, to which Penske responded, I'll have a seat for you tomorrow. Okay. This season kicks off in St. Petersburg, Florida, on March 11th. The series will be back in Detroit at Belle Isle in early June.